Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make this snack which loved by most Sri Lankans. Let's get started. First I am going to activate the yeast. I am using 1½ teaspoon of yeast, then added 1 teaspoon of sugar and 120 milliliters of warm milk. Mix them well and keep it close for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Then I am adding 1 medium egg and added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next add 30 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix them well. Then add 300 grams of all-purpose flour and mix them well. Now it's time for the kneading. First I am adding 40 grams of butter. Then knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you knead them well continuously until dough becomes smoother. Then add some oil to the bowl and keep it closed until dough size become double. Approximately you have to keep it closed for 1 hour. At this moment I am keeping my trays ready by adding baking paper to the trays. Write me here in the comments below where you watching from, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Now take out the dough and sprinkle some flour to the table and to the dough. And then flatter it by using a roller. Then divide it to 8 pieces to get the triangular shape. Then flatter the pieces more to become thinner by using the roller. And then roll the pieces as you can see in the video. If you still watching the video, you are loving my recipe. If you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this recipe. Now keep it closed for 20 minutes. Then I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk to the egg yolk and mix them well. Now I am straining the egg yolk by using a strainer. Otherwise, buns may give you some unpleasant smell. Apply this mixture on top of the bun to get nice brown color. Now I am taking some sugar into a plate and then roll the top of the bun in the sugar for sugar coating. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Now preheat your cooking pan in medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, reduce the flame to low and keep the tray inside your cooking pan and cover it. You have to keep this closed for 15 to 20 minutes. Exact time will depend on your cooker. Preheat your oven for 5 minutes in 180 Celsius. Then you can transfer them to oven. Bake the buns for 15 to 20 minutes in 180 Celsius. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.